Hello YouTube, video number 2 on this AliExpress chewing stand. All CNC machined aluminum, nothing is cheap on here. We have 3 gauges. This gauge mounts right here on the left bracket. On this thread right here, it is to measure your disc brake. I don't have one on my rear, so I have the wheel trued. You start with this arm right here. You don't have your gauges on, and now I have mine very dialed in. So on the bottom, we install our mount and then tighten our 2 gauges on for side to side and vertical. And these gauges read by the millimeter intense, very accurate gauges. You can get very dialed in. So let's see how accurate I've got this wheel dialed in. This small gauge right here is 1 through 10. Obviously it's 1, 2, 3. You want no more than 2 millimeter variance on your wheel. And as you can see, we're not even getting a half of a millimeter of variance. Now these come with 2 attachments. On the end of these, it's like a ballpoint pen. It's a ball bearing that rolls. Or you can use a flat face that it comes with as well. For my vertical, since going in down the middle of the wheel is the most accurate, I like to do it like this with my rim tape on once I have it dialed in. But as you can see with this chewing stand, we have this wheel very dialed in. Extremely high quality. I highly recommend. There is nothing on the market that is good as this stand for the money at all. Let's do a quick close-up of the gauges. So this is what I'm talking about right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. millimeters. As you can see right here, in between each one of these notches, that is a 100th of a millimeter, and the whole thing is a 10th. So that'd be, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Anything in between will be 100th, and that's just too small to read. But the main thing is, since wheel rim manufacturers specify up to 1 to 2 millimeters of travel in either way, as you can see as I go through it, we don't even go past 1 millimeter of variance. We have this wheel